against the sky, black-rimmed eyes that never lie, scanning for the hawk's descent, every moment vigilant. Underground they carve their own labyrinth beneath the stone. In the heat, in the sand, every soul knows where to stand. Sentinel Sun, watching over, code and call from dusk to dawn. Not just lookouts, not just soldiers, keepers of the order sworn. Sentinel Sun, rise together, clan and code forever strong. Chirps that coordinate the dance, rally calls and warning stands. Babysitters guard the young, while the hunters work as one. Dig with purpose, strike with speed, learning all they'll ever need. In the mob, in the clan, survival is a shared plan. Sentinel Sun, watching over, code and call from dusk to dawn. Not just lookouts, not just soldiers, keepers of the order sworn. Sentinel Sun, rise together, clan and code forever strong. When danger strikes they do not run, some stand tall while others flee. Sacrifice and strategy, architecture carved below. Chambers, tunnels, rooms that flow, basking in the morning glow, synchronized with all they know. Sentinel Sun, watching over, code and call from dusk to dawn. More than mascots, it's more than soldiers, keepers of the order's war. Sentinel Sun, bound together, village in the desert, strong. So when you see them stand alone, remember they're never on their own. Sentinel Sun, brave and true, the meerkat watches over you.